Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Bolamazar. Today in class 3rd, we are going to learn topic adding and subtracting lengths. On last day, we have learned conversion of units of length, and in this topic we have learned converting meters to centimeters and converting centimeters to meters, and also we have learned converting kilometers to meters and converting meters to kilometers. Today our topic is adding and subtracting lengths. Adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting lengths. Adding and subtracting lengths. Today we are going to learn topic adding and subtracting lengths. So now come on this topic, that is adding and subtracting lengths. Now come on the topic, and that is, you know that you can add or subtract numbers with kilometer, meter and centimeter. You can add or subtract numbers with kilometer, meter and centimeter. There is an example. You know that you can add or subtract numbers with kilometer, meter and centimeter. There is an example. Add 3 meter and 3 meter 25 centimeter, 3 meter 25 centimeter, 29 meter 7 centimeter, 29 meter 7 centimeter and 48 meter 80 centimeter and 48 meter 80 centimeter. Firstly, we have to arrange the numbers in columns under it. Firstly, we have to arrange the numbers in columns under it, meter and centimeter. So that is meter column and that is centimeter column. You know that firstly arrange the numbers in columns under meter and centimeter. 3 meter 25 centimeter, 29 meter and 7 centimeter and 48 meter and 80 centimeter. And now add them. Firstly, we have to add ones places. Start with the centimeter column and add the numbers. Start with the centimeter column and add the numbers 5, 7, 12, 2, 1 carry. And 2 and 8, 10, 10 and 1, 11, 1, and we will put here carry. And 3, 9, 12, 12 and 8, 3, 9, 12, 12 and 8, 20, and 20 and 1, 21, 1, 2 carry. And 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 8. So the answer is 21 meter and 12 centimeter. Okay, the answer is 81 meter and 12 centimeter. There is another example, and what is that? That is add 4 kilometer, add 4 kilometer, 495 meter, 495 meter, 27 kilometer 50 meter, 27 kilometer 50 meter and 15 kilometer 711 meter, 15 kilometer 711 meter. That is, now arrange the numbers in columns under kilometer and meter. Firstly, we have to arrange the numbers in columns under meter and kilometer. So arrange the numbers under kilometer and meter. 4 kilometer 495 meter. 27 kilometer and 50 meter. And 15 kilometer and 911 meter. Arrange the numbers. Firstly, we have to arrange the numbers in columns under kilometer and meter. And after that, start with the meter and start with the meter column and add the numbers. So 516 and 95, 14, 41, 50, 1 carry, and 415, 59, 14, 1 carry, and now 1 carry, and 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 12, 12, 5, 17, 1 carry, and 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4. So that is 47 kilometer and 456 meter. So the answer is 47 kilometer and 456 meter. And now we will learn some subtraction regarding to subtracting lengths. So there is an example. An example is subtract 12 meter, 68 centimeter from 35 meter 35 centimeter. 35 meter 35 centimeter. Subtract 12 meter 68 centimeter from 35 meter 35 centimeter. Firstly, we have to arrange the numbers in columns under meter and centimeter. What do we have to do firstly? We have to arrange the numbers in columns under in meter and centimeter. So arrange the numbers in columns under in meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. In meter, that is we have to subtract 12 meter 68 centimeter from 35 meter 35 centimeter. So write 35 meter 35 centimeter. And now 12 meter 68 centimeter. And now in second step, start with the centimeter column and subtract the number. Start with the centimeter column and subtract the number. Here 8 ones cannot be subtracted from 5 ones, so regroup 3 times 5 ones into 2 times and 15 ones. And now 15 ones minus 8 ones, that is 7 ones. Here 6 tens cannot be subtracted from 6 centimeter, 60 centimeter cannot be subtracted from 20 centimeter. So regroup 5 meter 35 meter 2 centimeter into, that is 4 meter and 12 centimeter. So now 12 centimeter minus 6 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter. And now here 4 minus 2 and 3 minus 1 2. So that is 22 meter 67 centimeter. So the answer is 22 meter 67 centimeter. There is another example we have to solve it. That is subtract 35 kilometer 45 meter from 52 kilometer 100 meter. Firstly, arrange the numbers in columns under kilometer and meter. In first step, arrange the numbers in columns under kilometer and meter. So arrange the numbers under kilometer and meter. Arrange the numbers in columns under kilometer and meter. We have to subtract 35 kilometer 45 meter from 52 kilometer 100 meter. So 52 kilometer 100 meter minus 35 kilometer and 45 meter. Now subtract, firstly start with the meter column and subtract the numbers. Now 5 ones cannot be subtracted from 0 ones and 0 tens cannot be regrouped. So regroup 100 0 10 into 0 100 10 10, and now regroup 10 10 0 ones into 9 tens into 9 tens and 10 ones, and now 10 minus 5, that is 5, and 9 minus 4, that is 5. Sorry, 9 minus 4, that is 5 also. Here will be 5. Here will be 5, and here will be 0. And now subtract the kilometer. 12 minus, here 5 cannot be subtracted from 2, so regroup 5 times 2 ones into 4 tens and 12 ones. And now 12 ones minus 5 ones, that is 7 ones. And 4 tens minus 3 tens, that is 1 ten. So the answer is 17 kilometer and 55 meter. The answer is 17 kilometer 55 meter. Now the next topic is story sums. Next topic is story sums regarding to adding and subtracting lengths. There is a story sums. The example is, that is Geeta's car is 3 meter long. Geeta's car is 3 meter long. Geeta's car is 3 meter long. What is its length in centimeter? What is its length? What is its length in centimeter? And you know that length of Geeta's car, what we have to find? Geeta's car is 3 meter long. What is its length in centimeter? So length of Geeta's car is length of Geeta's car, that is 3 meter. Length of Geeta's car is 3 meter, and you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 3 multiply 100 centimeter, that is equal to 300 centimeter. So the answer is 300 centimeter. So Geeta's car is 300 centimeter long. So answer is Geeta's car is 300 centimeter long. Now our next example is, the next example we will learn in next day class. Okay, and now you have to revise this for your upcoming exam. And today we are not going to learn some extra topic. On next day we will learn topic story sums, remaining one example, and after that we will learn some conversion of units of length, and after that we have to learn conversion of units of weight and conversion of units of capacity. Okay, until you have to revise your portion for upcoming exam. And keep watch the video, and we will meet in next video with new topic. Thank you. Goodbye.